Hello everybody. Today I will be showing my trading setup which I trade every day. It is in almost every day. I will quickly show my setup without wasting any time. These are the trading rules of my setup. Marking the magnets, important levels after the day opens. We have to mark the levels above and below the price, whichever the important levels we see. I will be telling how to mark the levels later. And after marking the levels, we have to read the narrative or assess the odds of reaching the confluence of magnets you have spotted. So, after establishing the narrative, we have to wait for the right time to enter to reach our target. The target being an important magnet you have spotted or a combination of multiple magnets locating around same level. Now, how to mark? What are levels to mark? See the levels I have shown in this box. These are very important levels. These are the locations where the liquidities are rested. And mathematically also the price has tendency to reach the equilibrium of the latest impulse moves. So what are the levels? Near the previous day high, previous day low, and also whenever price is near the previous week high or low or month or low, you have to mark all those levels. And the equilibrium point, equilibrium level of the latest impulse move. See in the example structure I have marked. In this from here this is the latest impulse move and this is the equilibrium level. And this high I have taken as a PDH, previous day high, and equal highs and equal lows. We have to mark all these levels and the mitigation level, also called as flip level. See here the price has broken the previous low. This next will become an important resistance point. Also, this level acts as a strong magnet, drawing the price towards it. And also, we need to mark the local highs during the course of the market movements. In this example, I will be telling why all these levels are important. See, in this example structure, the price after breaking the previous level, this is the previous day high. During retracement, it has not raided the previous day high. Hence, in future, these 2 points will become a strong magnet points. These two will form as an equal high. And in the latest impulse move, this is the equilibrium. See, at this juncture, at this point, there are four levels which acts as strong magnets. That is flip level, equilibrium, previous day high, and equal highs. And price, when reaching towards the equilibrium, we need to read the structure. See, this is the small latest impulse move. The price during the retracement has created multiple failure swings or local highs. Here, many stop loss orders are collected. And when price reaches the discount area of this impulse move, after a final sweep, after the market structure shift here, we can take an entry here during the retracement or at the momentum candle itself, with stop loss below the swing and target being the equilibrium. Why I have drawn this structure is because this exact similar structure we see at many places with almost similar kind of structure and similar kind of levels. We see confluence of magnets. Whenever there is confluence of magnets, the tendency to reach those magnets is very high. We need to read the narrative during the market movements. In this example, this level have written a strong magnet because of multiple confluences, as I mentioned before. See here, the local highs, because of the formation of local highs, there is chances after the final sweep to raid all these local highs and to finally reach the target. This is the setup I'll be trading, I'll be looking for daily in the market hours. The structure may vary, but the core principle is same. I will mark the magnets or important levels whenever the price is reaching those level or whenever the price is nearing those levels. I will read the structure. I will wait for one final sweep and I will try to spot the point from where the price may rally towards the confluence of magnets. This is the structure for the buy setup. Similarly, for a sell setup. Similarly, same structure for sell setup. Suppose if this is the flip level, this is the previous day low, and price just reversed without raiding the previous day low and retraced up, crawled up, forming multiple local lows or failure swings. After one final sweep, the price will suddenly fall towards the confluence of magnets. This is the only setup, this is the simple setup which I see every day in the market. The structure may vary, but the core principle is same. See, all the time the structure may not be like this. When you have established a magnet, a target, or important level, when you are expecting the price to move towards that magnet, you need to study the modes of price delivery. See, sometimes a liquidity is created like this in the form of failure swings, and the price finally gives one sweep and rallies towards the target. Sometimes it slowly crawls upwards, collects all the liquidity with final one sweep. It makes sharp V reversal towards the target, and sometimes without any much swing formation, with just two identical swing formation with one sweep, it reaches the target. Sometimes it forms a classic pattern formation, ascending triangle or a pennant breakout like this. But usually I don't prefer this one, and uh, and sometimes the market can be choppy like this. It makes one final sweep and reaches the target. For my most of the setups, I wait for one final sweep. I look for the narrative where for a given target, market makes one final sweep before reaching the target, and that sweep, when it coincides with the last session of the market, it is high probability. When the sweep happens after 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. or exactly at 2:30 p.m., there is good chance of rally towards the target in one go. These are the various structures, and there are some other structures. If I find, I will post in my videos. And similarly for cell setups, it moves in this fashion with two swings and pattern breakouts. But the best ones are when you see a sweep of opposite side liquidity before going towards the target. These are the best setups. These are the trading rules, and these are the important levels to mark every day. So these are the details of my setup. Whenever I mark important levels, whenever I see any important setup, I'll be posting my observations in brief videos from now on. Thank you.